Sudoku friends, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday, February the 22nd, 2020. We have only one Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, so let's get started. Okay, I see here a 6 in this row, a 6 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only box left for the 6 should be this one. The only place for the 6 should be this one. Yes. Then I see in the second column 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these two boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in this box. One box remains for the 5 should be this one. Then the other 3 numbers of the second column are 9, 8, and 7. I see here 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 9 should be this one. 7 and 8, 7 and 8 as a pair. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait for more information. Alright, then let's see in the middle big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. I see there 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 2 should be this one. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 3, 8, and 5. I see here 3, so no 3 in these two boxes. One box remains for the 3 should be this one. The 5 and an 8, 5 and an 8 as a pair for this row. I see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for 3 is here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for a 5 is here or there, but I see here already a 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 3 missing numbers of this big square. The numbers are 5, 9, and 4. I see here the 9 and the 4, so 1 digit left. That is the digit 5. Here we have a pair 9 and 4, 9 and 4. Remember that for later. Then yes, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 1 should be here. 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 2, 7, and 9. 2, 7, and 9. I see here the 2 and the 7. So 1 digit left. That's the 9. Here we have a pair 2 and a 7. 2 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 4. no, not 2 and 7, 4 and 7. 4 and 7. I made a mistake. The 7 cannot be here. Wait. The 4 and the 9. The 4 and the 9. This could be a 4. Wait. I made a mistake. The numbers are 4, 7, and 9. 4, 7, and 9. I cannot fill this yet. This could be also a 4. So this is not correct. Not correct. I made a mistake. 4, 7, and 9. 4, 7, and 9. I need to wait. 6 in this column. 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 6 should be here. Then here we have 7 and the 8. 7 and 8. That means these two are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for a 2 is here or there. But I see here already a 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. So these 3 numbers are 7, 9, and 4. 7, 9, and 4. We have a 9 there, so the 9 should be one of these 2 boxes. The 7, I do not know. 7 and the 4, no. Let me see. The 3. 1. Yes, in this row, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 1, 3, and 7. 1, 3, and 7. I see here 1, so no 1 there. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. Then in this column, 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 8, and 3. 7, 8, and 3. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 should be there. So we have a 3 and an 8, 3 and an 8. Remember that for later. Here we have 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes here. Okay, here was 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Then 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for 2 is here or there. But I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be here. Now we have 2 empty boxes for the numbers 8 and 7. We have now an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for an 8 is here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 9. 7 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 and 9. The 9 we have here. So no 9 here. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then the 3. Yes, 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 3 is here or there. But I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. Then 9. 4 cannot be here. 4 should be there. Here, 1, 2, and 7 are missing. 1, 2, and 7. 2 and 7. So 1 digit is left for the 1 here. We have here 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 2 goes there. 1 digit left for this big square for the number 1. 2 digits left for this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 6 here, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so no 4 here. 4 should be there, and then 9 goes there. So it's lucky that I have placed the 9 here and the 4 there. Otherwise it's switched. Now it's not switched. Alright, 1 digit left for this row, the middle row, for the number 9. So now we have 2 digits left for this row for the numbers 7 and 5. No, 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 digit left in the last column for the number 2. Yes, 2 is left. 2 digit left for this big square, because those are the numbers 8 and 3. These two, 9 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the first row. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. I cannot fill this yet, need more information. The 5 then. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So in this column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. But I see here already a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 1 digit left for this column for the number 9. 1 digit left for this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the first row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 is here or there. But I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left for this big square for the number 7 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. Now we have a 7 there, no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left for this column for the numbers 8 and 3. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for this big square for the numbers 3 and 6. Now we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also subscribe on this channel if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Rest me to say thank you for watching, and have a great weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye bye.